scenario, you would like to have some design made on Canva and you would like to use some graphic element, but you can't find the element that you are looking for, and the ones you find are paid and you are on free Canva account. How to fix this into a very simple way? First thing, hit the like button, subscribe this channel and comment, okay? After, go to your browser and type pinterest.com, and on Pinterest you're gonna search for the element you are looking for example graphic elements, just like this. And imagine that I like, let me see, this one looks fancy, really fancy. I'm gonna click on copy image, go back to my Canva account, and I'm gonna paste the image. If the image has background, there are AI tools that can remove background, or you can remove background using the Canva building feature. And you can use the element in the way that you wish, okay? Let me grab another element so I can share with you. I think this one looks okay, this one looks nice. Copy image. Let's go to Canva, place the image, remove background, and here is your design element ready to play with. You can flip and do the design in the way that you wish. Simple, right? So on Pinterest you can find a lot of graphic design elements to use on Canva. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.